How to download Sparrow wallet on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to download and install the Sparrow wallet application on your Windows or your computer, first of all launch open any web browser of your preference and then type in www.sparrowwallet.com in the URL box and search. You'll then be taken to this page, which is the official website. From here, you can download the application for your Windows. Go to the left-hand corner and click on the download button. And then on the next page, select the link for Windows. Let's click on this one over here and then wait for the download to complete. Once the download is completed, click on Open File. Then wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, you'll be able to see the Sparrow app icon in your Windows. Go ahead and click it open from your desktop shortcut, and then that's it. Sparrow Wallet app has now been successfully installed on your Windows computer. Now you can go ahead and create a new wallet or import an existing one and get started. That is how you can easily download and install Sparrow Wallet on your Windows. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.